Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to crochet this trifold purse. For this project, we are using two colors of yarn, crochet hook, cutter, needle, stitch marker and a button. To do this beautiful trifold purse, we want to know the basic stitches like single crochet and slip stitch. First, we will do the base as a rectangle shape. The length will be 30 centimeter and height will be 15 centimeter. Next, we'll do this flap, join them as a trifold. Then we will do the buttonhole, join the button. So now let's see how to do this beautiful trifold purse. Start with a slip knot. Foundation chain should be any multiple of 3 and the length of the foundation chain should be 30 centimeter. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. Yarn over, pull through the loop. This is what we say it as chain. We have to do this chain till 30 centimeter and the number of chain should be any multiple of 3. After doing them, it looks like this. Next, we are going to work on the third loop. So if you see here, this is the first loop, this is the second loop. And if you turn the stitch, you can find a bump like this. This is what we call this as the third loop. So for next round, we'll be working on the third loop. So we'll be working on the second stitch, 1, 2. And you'll turn your work. So you'll see a bump like structure here. Insert the hook here. Yarn over, pull through the loop and you'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So this is what we say it as single crochet. Next stitch. So if you see here, you'll have a next bump like structure here. This is the third loop. We are going to do a single crochet. Same way for the next stitch, insert it here. Yarn over, pull through the loop. You'll have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through both the loops. So next stitch, single crochet. Likewise, we'll be doing single crochet on each stitch on the third loop. So if you see here, it looks like this. So we'll get a beautiful finish on the bottom part as well as on the top part. So by following this, we are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the end. After doing them, it looks like this. So if you see, you'll have a beautiful finish on both the sides. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. So to do the single crochet, we'll be taking both the loops which you see like a V-shaped structure here. So we'll take them and do the single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. So likewise, you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the last stitch. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet in each stitch, we have to do for 15 centimeter. This will be the length of the purse and this will be the height of the purse. So the length of the purse should be 30 centimeter and height of the purse should be 15 centimeter. After doing them, it looks like this. So the length is 30 centimeter and the height is 15 centimeter. Next, we have to count 25 stitches from this end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So we are going to place a stitch marker on this 25th stitch. Same way, count 25 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you'll place a stitch marker on this 25th stitch. So how we have separated as 25, 25, 25 is the foundation chain is 75. That is multiple of 3. And when we divide 75 by 3, we'll get 25. So here 25, 25 and 25. Next, we are going to work in between these two stitch markers. We are going to do the flap for this purse. Take the next color, do a slip knot, remove the stitch marker, place the hook inside the stitch in this loop, pull through, do chain 1, do a single crochet in that stitch. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, single crochet. So likewise you are going to do single crochet in each stitch till you reach the stitch marker. After doing them, it looks like this. For next round, do chain 1, turn your work, do a single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in the next stitch, single crochet in the next stitch. Likewise, we'll be doing single crochet in each stitch till you reach this end. By following the same pattern of doing single crochet, we have to do for 4 centimeter. After doing them for 4 centimeter, it looks like this. We can do chain 1 and snip off this yarn. Next, fold them into 2. Count 12 stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And place the stitch marker in the 12th stitch. Same way, count 12 stitches at the bottom and place the stitch marker.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
And place the stitch marker. Now we are going to stitch them from this stitch marker to the stitch marker. So remove the stitch marker. Likewise, we will be doing them till you reach the stitch marker. So after doing them, it looks like this. Next, remove the stitch marker and we will finish them. So I can weave the ends here. It looks like this. Next, fold like this. Fold them like this. So we've got a pouch. So we have to join these 2 ends and these 2 ends. It looks like this. Likewise, you'll be joining them till you reach this end. So after joining them, it looks like this. Next, we will stitch here like this. So we'll stitch them till here, and next we will join this end how we join the other side. After joining them, it looks like this. So now we have got the 3 fold. Next we are going to do the buttonhole in the flap. Make a slip knot. Insert here, insert in this loop, pull through, chain 1. We are going to do slip stitch. Insert the hook in the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop and pull through the other loop. So next stitch, slip stitch, next stitch, slip stitch. So likewise you are going to do slip stitch in each stitch till you reach this corner. So in this corner, do chain 1 and do 1 more slip stitch in the same stitch. Do slip stitch in each stitch for 12 stitches. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Next we are going to do the buttonhole. So you have to do this buttonhole based on the button you have. Do chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip 1 stitch and do a slip stitch in the next stitch. So next do slip stitch in each stitch till you reach this end, and do slip stitch in each stitch till you reach here, and finish it off by doing a slip stitch. After joining the button, the three-fold purse looks like this. Tri-fold purse looks like this. If you like this video, like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you, friends.